back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing this wig right here. This is the end result. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. I am collaborating with Nadula hair, so this is the wig. This is where the wig is from. It will be in the description for those that are interested. So I don't want to talk you guys' head off. Let's just hop into this video. What is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title, your girl is going to be installing this wig with lace tape. So I picked up this bold hold lace tape and it's by the Hair Diagram. It's been out actually for years, I believe. I'm just a little late. I seen a little ad and I was like, well, I hate glue, I hate got to be, all that, so we about to see. So now I've already installed this, I believe on New Year's, on a wig at home, and it lasted 5 days actually, but I took it out because I got more packages. Obviously I had to do more promo and switch out my wig, so the tape didn't work, but it actually was, you know, pretty adhered, so I don't think there's an issue with it. We're just gonna do what it do, okay? So, okay, so it says wipe area using 90% alcohol, apply tabs only to skin, never to hair. So I followed all these instructions. I just don't have alcohol this time, so I did just go ahead with some shampoo and wash my hairline. So this is how they look. I pull up the video to see what the girl meant. If I cut this way or if I cut, I forgot. I think it's this way though. I'm not sure. So basically, this is the wig, okay? This is a collaboration with Nadula hair. So this is a Bodywave 24-inch wig. And underneath, you know, clean hairline. So let me just show y'all the wig and tell you about the specs. So this is the wig. I did wear it yesterday and I accidentally fell asleep in it, so that's why it's looking like that. So we got this pretty plucked and tinted. There are 1, 2, 3 combs and adjustable straps, and voila. First things first, I'm gonna pull up that video off camera and figure out which way to cut it. Then I'll record myself applying the tabs and then, you know, breaking them, and I'll probably add a voiceover to help, you know, somebody new or interested in the tape. Let's watch the little video. So I guess she was cutting it like, I don't know, I guess she cut across. That's the wrong way. So what you're gonna do is have it like this. So my camera focuses. You guys can see there's lines down the middle, and that just kind of like, you know, that's where you peel the tape. So you're going to cut across like so, not, I guess, down the middle horizontally. Yeah, so we about to do what it do. My struggle with this last time was I felt like my wig was too far up, if that makes any sense. So like this, like this. Here I think it's okay. The one that I had before, I had it so far up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to, I guess, apply it really close to my hairline as much as possible. My hair was not damaged or anything. Also, any removal, you just need the 90% alcohol, so I'm not worried about anything, okay? Period. And I'm kind of nervous because I was looking at the camera for some of these, so I feel like it's kind of close, but we're about to see. So if you guys can see, well, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see because from my view you can't, but there are little splits in between each one like that. So you gotta take, you're supposed to take tweezers, but I don't have mine because I'm such an idiot and I forgot. So I'm gonna probably have to take this off off camera, but it's literally just, you know, peeling from the middle, and you peel the tape, you peel it off, and then you throw the white part away. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back and we will install this wig. Okay, so I'm just hopping on since I'm halfway through. This I'm gonna show you. If you guys can see those little squares, that's the tape. So I'm just flicking. I'm gonna pull this on just to show y'all how easy. Boom, you just literally just pull it off. Now we got my wig. Okay, I cut the little, you know, lace jagged so it looks more natural. So this is really like it. You put it on, you put your little comb in and different stuff, you know, put your combs in, then you just literally, actually, hold on. Okay, to make it easier, I'm gonna have it the way that the mirror is, so you guys can see and I don't have to keep stopping and all that. I'm not at home, I'm at a hotel. I got a hotel for myself because I want to shoot some stuff and take some pictures, and my house is just not cute no more. So first I'm gonna do the middle, and whew, and then just press the lace down. Okay, then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the ends because I'm getting anxiety. Place it. I got a little bit of extra lace, I'm gonna just cut that. So then you just do that literally with the rest. Just press, 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 press. Can y'all see that? Oh my god, I love tape now, like seriously. Okay, and then I'm gonna just do the rest. Last time I did this, the ends, like the edges I guess, was really hard because I just could not get that part to be like, I guess, stuck. So I ended up just putting some got to be on the ends underneath what's sticking up, and yeah. But as y'all can see, I'm pulling it. There are some pieces of lace that I have to cut off that's extra, but I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna hop back on. Guys, so it's on. Might be some minor flaws because I didn't apply my makeup, you know, to the lace. I am gonna do some baby hairs, but this is how it's looking. Just coming out here to show you guys. I'm pulling really, really, really hard. Not coming up. Doesn't feel loose. It's pretty, you know, secure. Now this side is like a total fail because some hair got caught in there and I messed up. So yeah, but finished product. I'm gonna dress it up and then I'm gonna get myself together, and then I will be back on camera to talk about this unit. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. So I did do some little sideburns and a couple little baby hairs around the hairline. But doesn't this wig look absolutely amazing? Like, get into it. Get into it. You see me?
You see me?
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. So now I'm gonna hop on and talk about the wig because I already talked about the tape. I would rate it probably like 3.5 or 4 stars. I'm kind of torn in between. I'm gonna see how this install goes. So the wig that I'm wearing is from Nadula Hair. So first things first, showing off the packaging. This is the box it came in. And they did go ahead and give me some cute stuff. I got a head wrap, some wig caps, and then I got an elastic band. These are always nice and handy when you need them and your wig is too tight or maybe too loose. So this is the hair. This is a 24-inch 13x4 frontal wig. Super pretty. Y'all just see how the curls are just so, the way that I do my curls, they just be bouncy and I love it. Like, I love it here. So yeah, The hair has been fine. Like I said, I've slept in it, so you know, I'm kind of, you know, very comfortable with it, and I know, I guess, the pros and cons. It isn't really many cons. Nadula, of course, is one of my favorite. Nadula and probably Beauty Forever. So yeah, this is the hair. Just want to show you guys what it's looking like. So on me, it comes to my rib cage stretched. So if you straighten this, it'd probably be even longer, but this is how it looks in curls. So if you guys are interested in this wig, it will be linked in the description. Thank you so much to Nadula Hair. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this install, and I will see you all in the next video.